we'll guide you through how to apply geometry nodes in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for geometry nodes tutorials in Blender because procedural workflows can feel confusing at first. To apply geometry nodes in Blender, begin by opening Blender and starting a new project so you have a clean workspace to work in. If you prefer a fresh start, delete the default cube by selecting it, pressing X, and confirming the deletion. Next, add a new object by pressing Shift+A. Then choose Mesh and select Cube or any other shape you want to use. Once your object is in the scene, make sure it is selected, as geometry nodes will be applied to the active object. After that, move to the Properties panel on the right side of the interface and click on the Modifier tab, which is represented by a wrench icon. From there, click the Add Modifier button to open the list of available modifiers. In the list, choose Geometry Nodes to begin working with procedural geometry. Then, press the New button to create a new Geometry Node setup, which will generate a basic node system for your object. To make editing easier, switch to the Geometry Nodes workspace using the tabs at the top of the screen. In this workspace, you will see a node editor that already contains a group input and a group output node, forming the foundation of your node network. To start modifying the geometry, add a new node by pressing Shift+A within the node editor and selecting the desired node type. For example, you can add a transform node to move, rotate, or scale the geometry procedurally. Connect nodes by clicking and dragging from one node's output socket to another node's input socket to define the flow of data. You can also add a subdivide mesh node to increase the level of detail in your geometry. To further manipulate the shape, insert a set position node, which allows you to control vertex positions in a procedural way. Adjust the parameters of each node directly within the node interface to refine the effect. When you are done editing, go back to object mode to see the changes applied to your object in real time. Finally, save your project to ensure your geometry node setup is preserved for future use.